Okay, here we go, unboxing the Garmin Echomap uhd2. And the Garmin GT56 transducer. So this is the 95SV to go with the transducer. So in the box you've got your protective cover, then the actual unit itself, just one connection on the back to be made, a nice sticker so you can advertise for them, diagram if you're going to fix it into your dash. Mounting plate, I'm thinking that's the transducer cable. Oh no, sorry, and that's the adapter. Paperwork and some screws. So it's got a cover over the connection port, so then obviously it doesn't get dirt in and stuff when it's not in use. Allegedly it's just a simple click in, we'll soon find out. There we go. Don't know what else to say about it.